Today's the day. I'm so excited to get married.
Pwede naman tutuhanan yung masahe. Great to see you later. Han, my beautiful and gorgeous wife. This is it. We're finally married. But at least now, makapagsalita na ako unlike nung engagement natin sa Japan. When we first got engaged, I got lost for words. May mga plan ako in my mind, pero totally wala akong sinabi. Wala akong nasabi. Blanco ako in that moment. All I wanted was to propose to you and to have this idea that we'll finally plan our life together. Look at where we're at now, di ba?
You are the rain, you are the sky. Your yellow rays and burning fire. Your every song, it fills my mind.
To my dearest Han, wow. As we begin this beautiful chapter together, my heart is full knowing that I get to call you my husband later. Every moment feels more meaningful because of it's with you. I'm so proud of you and so grateful that I get to spend forever by your side. I love you. Woo! Thank you. Open na
I'm gonna love you
unboxing.
till the well runs dry.
Wow, thank you, Han. Baka may laman pa.
If every doubt, clouds are right. We get hard.
Looking back at the time we first met, I don't think anyone expected that we'd end up together. Especially since I'm somehow opposite ng type mo. Like you said, lahat ng gusto mong qualities, hindi ako yun. But maybe that's the beauty of love. It finds its way into people we least expect. You always ask me questions like, bakit mo ako love? Or, kailan mo nalaman na love mo ako? And never kita sinagot straight up. Maybe this is the perfect time to tell you why exactly. It was never love at first sight. Walang dramatic, slow-mo moment. Or baka meron. But somehow, in our small conversations, the laughter, the road trips, all those chismisan moments anywhere, papa-office, sa car, sa bahay, and the dreams we slowly began to share. You became the person I no longer imagine my life without.
All the air in me breathes for all of you. The current of your love runs through mine, twisting like a storm, taking all of me. Words will always be intertwined. I'm gonna love you till the well runs dry.
Hi, Han. First of all, I want to say that I love you. When we first met, I never thought this would be our ending. Us from regular colleagues to lovers.
Like constellations
From ayaw sa bata, ayaw sa mas bata, to age doesn't matter.
in my head.
Back then, I didn't even know what it truly felt like to love someone.
So many miles.
Natatakot pa nga ako kasi
I still
hindi ko alam kung gusto na ba talaga kita or masaya ka lang kasama. But somewhere between our late night conversations, random moments together, and the comfort you gave me, I realized it was always you.
All of the pictures, dreaming in color. The life we know will never fade.
Thank you for loving me exactly as I am, for accepting my flaws, for always reassuring me, and for making me feel love even on days when I find it hard to love myself. Your love makes me feel so proud, happy, and secure.
Hero and Ariel, now we celebrate more than a beautiful ceremony in this beautiful church of Calirhuega, Transfiguration Chapel. We celebrate a godly choice. Later, standing there, you are saying yes not only to each other, but you are saying yes to a way of loving that you will live every single day of your lives.
In the span of our relationship, a lot has changed for us and in us. May change in priorities in life, nagkaroon tayo ng new dreams together. Now, more than ever, mas madami na tayong kinakain. But one thing remained constant. I've always chosen you, us, and our relationship. I will continue choosing you every day, from this day until my last. So, as cliche as it may sound, pipiliin din kita araw-araw.
For I'd seen it all.
And I have made different promises to you throughout our relationship. Some I have fulfilled, some I'm still working on. But now, with God by our side, I promise to stand by you through every chapter of our life together. All the happy ones, all the uncertain ones, and even those we're yet to discover. So, Han, thank you for loving my dirty, serious, and imperfect self.
Shooting star, my light in the dark. You're the high of my highlights, my thunderstrike, my northern lights. You're my once in a lifetime. Oh, my treasure. I love you till I die. My shooting star, my light in the dark. You're my once in a lifetime.
I thank God every day because instead of letting me go through a heartbreak, He led me straight to you. Binigay niya sa akin yung one and only love of my life, ikaw. I won't promise to love you perfectly every day, but I promise that no matter what life looks like, I will continue choosing you until we turn old and gray. Here's to a lifetime of jokes, fights, late night talks, adventures, and love. I love you always and in all ways.
Darling, you're my shooting star, my light in the dark. You're the high of my highlight, my thunderstrike, my northern light. You're my once in a lifetime. Oh, my treasure. I love you till I die. My shooting star, my light in the dark. You're my once in a lifetime.
So, Han, my best friend, my partner, and now my wife. Here's to the beautiful life we'll build together. A life full of laughter, adventures, peace, and love. I love you so much now and forever.
You're my